Guys, my knee is broken and it needs to be fixed. And guess where we're doing a delivery today? We're at Gifted Hands, guys. We come to make a delivery, but they also come to patch up the whole knee here. So I'm gonna go inside, we're gonna do the delivery, and I'm gonna set an appointment. Guys, there's a link somewhere down here. Click on that link, join us today. You can get some free shipping coupon. Just go and click and join, log into your profile, and then click on a button there. You're gonna see it say get free shipping coupon. Click on free shipping coupon, then you're gonna see a button that says join us to get some free shipping coupon. All right, we're here at the doctors. We're gonna get ourselves sorted out. Make sure that you get your packages sorted out, right? If you live in Jamaica, or if you're a Jamaican living overseas, you can join us. We allow you to ship your items through us to Jamaica, and then we go deliver it to you or your loved ones. All right, guys, so go ahead, click on the link, check out the artwork. I like it. I like it. And I'm gonna look like that Superman. When I'm done with me, I'm gonna look like Superman. Ready?